Assalamu alaikum dear students. This lecture is from the book D1. We have started chapter number 2, and in this lecture we are going to learn various concepts involved regarding the multiplication and division of the fractions and mixed numbers. So let's move to the lecture. In the word example 6, we are going to learn the concept of multiplication and division of positive fractions and the mixed numbers. So we can see that we are given with the two fractions. One is the mixed fraction and other is also a simple fraction. So first step would be the conversion of this mixed fraction into simple fraction. So we multiply 4 by 2. 4 2s are 8, and 8 plus 3 is 11. 11, so we write it like 11, and 11 over 4 into 2 over 4. And after writing them into this form, next step would be the cutting of the numbers with the same table, like 2 and 4 are in the same table. Like you can see, 2 and 4 are on the same table, so 2 ones are 2 and 2 twos are 4, and 11 is cancelled by this 11. And after simplifying these fractions, we have to multiply the numerator with the numerator and denominator with the denominator. So 1 ones are 1 and 2 ones are 2, and the answer will be 1 over 2. On the other hand, in the B part, again we first convert this mixed number 2 over 9 into a simple fraction, that was 20 over 9, and then the sign is divided by, so this division sign, and then 5 over 2. So first, after converting it into simple fraction, the next step would be the conversion of this division sign into a multiplied sign. So when we write it or we convert it into division sign, the denominator and numerator of the next fraction will be reversed, will be changed. Like 3 was denominator, it become the numerator, and 5 was numerator and it become the denominator. So 5 over 3 will be written as 3 over 5. And after writing it in this style, again we have to cancellation with the same table. 5 ones are 5, 5 fours are 20, 3 ones are 3, 3 threes are 9, and after cutting we multiply the numerator. 4 ones are 4 and 3 ones are 3, and then we can again more simplify it by dividing the 4 by 3. So 3 ones are 3, and the remainder of this division is 1, that will be written as 1 over 3. So this is how we multiply and divide a positive fraction and the mixed number. Now this concept can be more consolidated with these examples. You can see the first step is the conversion of the mixed fraction into simple fraction. Then the second point is to cancel them on same table, like 4 ones are 4, 4 threes are 12, 3 threes are 9, 3 ones are 3, and after cancellation or simplifying them, then multiply the numerator with the numerator. 3 threes are 9 and 1 ones are 1, so 9 divided by 1, the answer is 9. In the B part, again 6 fours are 24 plus 1 25 divided by 6. Divided sign is converted into the multiplication sign, so the next fraction will be reversed. It is 5 over 2, so we will write 2 over 5. And after reversing them, again cancellation on the same table, simplifying them, and we will get our answer. In the work example 7, we are going to understand the concept of multiplication and division of the negative fractions. And you can see in the first part we have the example 3, 2 over 3 divided by minus 2, 4 over 9. So you can see that this the first step here will also again the same, that is the conversion of the mixed fraction into simple fraction. And after converting them, this division sign will be changed into the multiplication sign, and the fraction will be reversed. 22 over 9 will be written as 9 over 22, and then the cancellation with the same table or simplifying them, that 11 ones are 11, 11 twos are 22, 3 ones are 3, 3 threes are 9. Then multiplication of the numerator with the numerator, that was 3 ones are 3 and 2 ones are 2, so minus 3 over 2, that is written as in the mixed fraction form after division, as we have learned earlier. But the difference over here is that the answer will carry the negative sign, because one of the two fraction is a positive and the other is negative, so plus minus minus. So this is how we solve the question, and we also take care of the sign with this fraction also. In the B part, we have the question, and the question is not only having a mixed fraction but also have some brackets, some order that we have learned in the board mass rule. So we will also consider that rule to solve this question. First step, the same, that we convert the mixed fraction into simple fraction, and after doing that, the thing is that minus 5 over 2 is written as such, plus minus minus. So these signs are also multiplied and simplified in the manner that according to the rule that we have learned earlier, that minus minus plus, plus minus minus, minus plus minus, and plus plus is equal to plus. So plus minus is always a minus. And then we will find the LCM of only the thing that is in the bracket, because first we have to solve the bracket. So LCM of 3 and 2 is 6, and then simplifying this concept as we have learned earlier, we get minus 35 over 6. That minus 35 over 6 is multiplied with minus 14 over 5, and then we will cancel, or we will simplify them and get our answer. The thing to understand here is that in this question we have both concept, addition and subtraction of the fraction and multiplication of the fraction. So when we have to solve the addition and subtraction, we will use the concept as we have learned earlier, and when we are going to multiply, we will use the concepts of multiplication. So both of these things can come in a single question. And what we have to remember is the board mass rule, and other is the multiplication rule of the signs, and all the concepts are the same that we have learned here in this lecture. So this is the example to just practice what we have learned earlier. The first step is to convert them into simple fraction, that is 5 fours are 20, 20 plus 1 is 21 over 4 divided by minus 14 over 5. This division sign will be changed into multiplication sign, and when we do this, the next fraction is reversed. So 14 over 5 is written as 5 over 14, but the sign will remain as such. Then we will simplify them. 14 and 21 are divisible on the same table, that is 7. So 7 twos are 14 and 7 threes are 21, and then multiplied them, and we get the answer minus 15 over 8. The B part of this practice question I have not solved, because I would recommend you to please pause this video over here and solve it by yourself and practice this concept before